The BJD is confronting a wave of open dissent after its defeat in the Nuapada bypoll, with Bhubaneswar Corporator Ajit Behera publicly accusing the leadership of imposing decisions without consulting ground-level workers. Speaking to the media, Behera said the choice of candidate was inexplicable and forced, warning that such unilateral calls were pushing the party towards collapse. He alleged that Snehangini Churia's nomination reflected an internal conspiracy rather than the preference of leaders active in the constituency. Behera said workers were increasingly frustrated, adding that any organization weakens when what he called bhishans and betrayers rise within its ranks. He questioned why a candidate from nearly 150 kilometers away was chosen over a local leader with deeper organizational roots. Behera also reignited speculation about V.K. Pandyan's continuing influence despite his early exit from active politics. He claimed that crucial decisions still bore Pandyan's imprint, echoing early allegations made by suspended leader Srimay Mishra. The corporator cited Mishra's previous allegation that political deals were being struck outside Odisha, hinting at what she described as the Delhi deal, influencing internal decisions. As of the latest reports, the BJD leadership has not responded to Behera's statement.
जेकोसी दल में जदि विभीषण आ बेईमानी संख्या बढ़े से दल निश्चित रूपे ध्वंस आड़ी की जीव ये जो दलर दायित्व क्या दि जाइथिला प्रथम तो उदाहरण अमर पट्टनायक देवी जे राज्यसभा सांसद जहां को बिजु जनता दल देइथिला से तो पूर्व दिन पळेले सेठी आमर बिजु जनता दलर चेयरमैन अछंती सेमाननको भितर जदि करा जाइथिले साधारण लोक बिंगर मत जे जोठार ए बाई इलेक्शन रे आमे विरोध दल भाबे प्रथम लड़ुचे उपनिर्वाचन आमर दायित्व थिला सेई माटीर लोकंकु से माटीर बासिंदा को प्रार्थी करिवा सेमाने भी आम दलर थिले किंतु 150 किलोमीटर दूररू अताबिरारू नहीं कि स्नेहागिनी छोरिया को प्रार्थी करिवार कारण कोन एडा गोटे एक प्रकार जेमती पूर्वरू के महिला कहिसेन जेमती डील भेली एडा तो सेई भेली हे जाउची कोनोसी डील भली जेमती आमे चाहूचे जे सेठी बीजेपी जितु बोली यही प्रक्रिया जदि दल आगु को बढ़े ताल निश्चित रूपे दलर माने भविष्यत अंधारमय।